Today, the tide rolls us in to North Myrtle Beach at Barefoot Landing.
We were coming to check out the Big Chill, but oh no, it's not ready yet. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today the boat rolls us in right here at beautiful Barefoot Landing in North Myrtle Beach. We were coming to check out the Big Chill, but it's not ready yet. Whenever we were up here for the birthday party for Dick's Last Resort, I saw where it would be open March the 17th. Maybe the rain had a delay, but
it is not open.
Not yet, but it is beautiful. In the meantime, we're going to show you Toco Mundo. I don't think we've ever filmed that before, so.
So this is the front of the Big Chill seafood house, and they're still working on there. So it doesn't look like they're going to be finished any time this week, I can tell you that.
That's true. So maybe mid-April or May. I know definitely by the summertime they'll be ready.
Coming soon. So it's called the Big Chill Island House. That's what it's going to look like.
Show them this right here, because that's what I was really, and that's going to overlook the water.
Yeah.
So it's like a rooftop restaurant bar.
That water right there.
Yes. Look at that. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
And I was so excited, but that's okay. We'll wait. But until our friends get here, we're going to show you a little bit of Barefoot Landing. And as you can tell, I'm dressed up once again for bunny season. They're having a huge bunny hop down here for all kids ages 3 to 12. So there's one special man that I'm looking for, and that's the Easter Bunny. Let's go see if we can find them. So the bunny hop, which is today, from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. This is the Easter Bunny DJ face painting and all sorts of fun for the kids. And as you can tell, a lot of them had their little Easter baskets, because I think they had an Easter egg hunt where you could go around from business to business, and they were giving out little candy and Easter eggs. And here that famous guy is. Happy Easter from Lulu's. Look at that. There he is. Thank you. Good stuff. So instead of eating at the Big Chill, we're going to bring you the Toco Mundo kitchen and cantina. If you could smell it, it is making me hungry. Let's go check it out.
So if you come out here to Toco Mundo, they bring it in a bag instead of a basket.
Pour them out.
Pour them out.
There you go. Oh,
Right. Oh.
one got away.
Right.
There you go, beatbox.
Yummy.
Oh my GG, look at here. So we decided to go with the street corn as a starter. This looks absolutely amazing. Look at that. Let's see if I can turn it around for you. Can you zoom in on that? Go in for a close-up. Wow. Looks like it's got Parmesan cheese on it and all kind of seasoning.
Let's see what it tastes like. Let me know. Are you gonna do it with your fork?
Yeah.
Oh heck no! I'm about to bite into it.
All right. Well, here let's see that corn. It's real corn on the cob. All righty. Here's a napkin. Sweet bite. So, how's it taste?
It's corn on the cob, and I help. It tastes good.
That's good. Is it spicy or?
No, it's got something on Parmesan or something.
My favorite. Bunnies and caliente. So I decided to go with the grilled chicken fajitas. Yummy. Smell that delicious aroma. Look at that steam. It's good for a facial. And so my chicken fajitas has black beans, flour tortillas, and it's served with Mexican rice with peppers and onions.
And I decided to go with the chicken quesadilla, which has Monterey Jack cheese, lettuce, guacamole, pico de gallo, and crema.
Decorative.
Out of this world. Delicioso.
Prickly pear.
Prickly pear.
Blood orange.
Casa Perfecta.
Casa Perfecta.
All righty. Let's see what Precious thinks about that.
Watch your eye turn crooked.
I know. I hope so. This is a red. Look at this. Now that is pretty. Beautiful. I might change my mind now. This is my favorite.
So out here, it's a beautiful place, especially at nighttime. The lights overlooking the waterway and all the boats. So they have a sheltered area, or you can sit up there under the lights. It feels good when the sun comes out.
You see the captain waving? Let's see if we can get the people on the back way. That's where we need to go to next.
Look at it turn.
Yeah, he's on a mission. There you have it. That was a look at the Taco Mundo right here in Barefoot Landing in North Myrtle Beach. Beatbox is laughing.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
And hope you have a wonderful Easter, and always remember to shake that bunny tail. Until next time, keep beaching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Taco Mundo!
And look at here, my favorite, bunnies and caliente. Ooh.
Caliente.
And look at here, my favorite, bunnies and caliente.
Caliente.
Okay, like caliente. Ready? Mike can fit right underneath the hat. Look. Aww. Taco.
Look how it turns.
Yeah. He's on a mission. Now you're just showing off.
Well, there's a look right here in Barefoot Landing. Let me start over, because I don't even know where
You
I'm
want me
at.
to do it? Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Taco Mundo right here.
Mundo, not Mungo.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Taco Mundo right here in Barefoot Landing.
Mundo.
Oh my God, why do I keep saying that?
Moon go.
All right,
Where'd that
ready?
moon go?